What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Forgive my energy, I'm just it's just one of those days, man, one of those weeks. What's going on in the AI journey? I'm just learning some stuff. It's just one of those days, man. Just one of those days, I don't know, I think I'll have a lot more enthusiasm once I find a job. And just to backtrack, I got laid off in 2025 in July. Haven't been able to find a job yet. Y'all can hear my son in the background. And I believe in AI, man. I'm gonna be honest with you. I believe in AI. Come on, Papa. I'm shooting a video right now. Go back in the living room, please. It's just the pressure of not having a job, being a dad, learning AI, trying to find clients, trying to do it all. It's just shit get hard, man. Shit get difficult, man. Shit make you feel defeated. But I believe in AI, I believe in it wholeheartedly. I believe in my talents. I believe in what I could do with it. And I just know it's gonna take time. I'm in my 6th month on this journey, maybe 4th in actually building something concrete, 4th or 5th building something concrete. So I'm just here, man. This is just me giving y'all what I'm going through, cause I don't want people to just think like whatever this is gonna look like 6 more months down the line, or in the future, that this just happened out of nowhere. This is a real person going through some real shit, and I'm betting on myself. And betting on yourself come with a lot. I got a lot riding on it. And it's like, you can't fail, that's not an option. Especially when you've seen it happen for other people. And I'm not even the type of person to compare myself to other people, because everybody have their own different journey. But it's like when you see everybody else or other people being successful at something, and it motivates me. It should motivate you, and you should just lock in, tap in, and try to just put your own sauce on it and put your own skills on it. And it's hard, man. It's hard. It's just one of those days where it's not that I feel like giving up on AI. It's just I'm not proud of myself right now. It's just I got these bills. My accounts is overdraft. I'm coming off of I wouldn't say my business before was failing. It's just I had so much going on that I was using the business money. I was intertwining my personal money with the business money. And then when I stopped making real money, my 9 to 5, everything just kind of crashed, like metaphorically and for real. One of my cars, if you don't know, I was running a Toro business, and one of my cars got totaled from somebody who I thought was my friend. And I don't know, man. It's just, life is just kicking my ass right now. And this is just 2026 just came. It's January 22nd, 22 days into the new year. February about to be right around the corner. Before it's February, we got March, and then Q1 is over. These years go by so fast. You just go through a process where you just trying to figure out, and I'm 34, man. I'm done trying to figure out. Like, I have the idea, I have the vision, I have the motion. I just need something to fuel, like, to just fuel so I could just put more ideas out into the world and blessings. And today I just feel down, like it's just down, like, and I don't know what it is. It's just, one of them days where you just feel down, man. I just feel down, like, and I'm gonna get through it. I'm gonna do some more tutorials. I'm gonna be focused. I'm gonna let y'all know how the AI journey is, but I'm just letting y'all know that it's not easy, you know what I mean? And it's not even just the AI part. The AI part is difficult, but it's not even that. It's just like, when you betting on yourself and riding on yourself and believe in yourself, man, that comes with a lot. And especially when you ain't got nothing else to go off of. Like, this AI thing could just change tomorrow, and then I'll have to scratch and start all over. And like, that's just where I'm at. Like, just rolling with the punches. I'm just, voice AI is where I'm at with it. I'm a experiment with web apps, but voice AI is where I landed at. I believe in it. I've been talking to Chat GPT like my own person before I was even into building my own AI. So I believe in it. You know what I mean? I feel like it's something that we're going to be able to just integrate and talk and do things and vibe code. And I just want to be at the forefront for my people, for me. Like, this thing is purpose driven. Like, this thing isn't just I see it as a fad and I just want to do it. It's more than that. I gotta get up out this rut that I'm in. Like, I don't want to go back to a 9-to-5. Like, I've been applying to jobs, and I just ran into a friend at one of my old jobs that my company was partnered with. And he was just saying, yo, I could get you a job back at the spot and stuff like that, but I'll be having to go in Monday through Friday 8 to 6, and I have a son, you know what I mean? So remote and freedom is what I need, you know what I mean? I don't want to get trapped into getting a babysitter and daycare, and I'm trying to get out of New York. Like, like, my wife is from here. She's born and raised. So we tried leaving New York. It just did not work. And where I'm at, man, I'm just giving up everything. Like, I just gotta get out of New York. I gotta start my own journey. I did everything that I needed to as like a young man, as an adult. I stood on business as far as being a husband and a parent, but now it's just time to get it for me, and take care of my family the best way I know how and put them in the best environment possible. It's like, I'm 34, dog. I'm 34, like, I'm not getting any younger, like, and it's like, I'm not even thinking about time and my age like that. It's just, I just feel like I spent so much years and time just trying to do shit for other people and making sure everybody else was good, that I did not make sure I was good. And here I am in 2026, a 34-year-old with no job, with no money, a wife, a kid, and everything is just going down the fucking drain. Now I'm betting on this new thing, AI, that everybody's skeptical about. I'm not even gonna say, I've been doing the best outreach and stuff like that. Hold on. Yo. I bet. That was my brother. He outside. I'm gonna wrap this up, but I'm not even saying that I don't know what I'm saying is, but I know I'm betting on this thing, and I'm betting a lot on this thing, and this is just a part of the journey. The days where shit just don't feel magical. That's it.